Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Y'all, today I'm just going to be putting together a really quick, simple little salad. And this is a salad that most little children is just going to love. It don't have no lettuce. Honey, it's just got some good stuff. This is a sweet salad. And I am making Caramel Apple Snickers Salad. Doesn't take many ingredients.
Sounds like my kind of salad.
Yes, you will love getting a taste of this. And y'all know, listen, we can smell fall. It's so close. And this is perfect for little Halloween parties. I'm telling you, the little kiddos is going to love this. Even the adults. So I'm going to start with 3/4 cup of just some whole milk. I'm going to dump that in there. And I've got one box, 3.4 ounces of the instant French vanilla jello pudding. We just going to toss that right in here and give it a little stir. Y'all, you can't get no easier than this. If you on duty, having to bring a little dessert for a little party, honey, this is the one for you. So we're going to give it a little stir. Just get that mixed in like so. Now I have peeled, cored, and chopped up some apples, about 5 apples here. And I just use Fuji, and they are nice sweet apple. You can use any apple, I guess, that you want to. I will go with the firm. But we want to dump a whole thing of Cool Whip in here. 8 ounces of Cool Whip. You know it's going to be good, right?
Yeah.
You just know. All right, we're going to get that in here, mixed in. This is just an easy dump and go. Now, I've got some Snickers. Now, you can go with 4 or 5 regular size Snicker bars. But James Russell shopped for me, and he did a good job. He found the little individual ones. It was a whole lot cheaper to get the whole bag. It's almost Halloween coming, so we got all those little packs out.
Yeah, look at there, all them. Look, we got leftovers. Look at there. We got some out in that bag.
Well, not so fast. We're going to put one on top.
Oh, okay, well.
We might have a little extra 1 or 2, though.
That's all right.
That's all
They're
right.
going to a good cause.
They really are. All right. Get all that in there. Now, I'm just going to fold these little apples in here. See how this looks? So rich and creamy.
Mm-hmm.
We'll just put these little apples. Now, I will tell you, I put just a little bit of lemon juice on these apples so they wouldn't turn brown.
There's you a good little trick, y'all.
Yeah, well, most people know that one, but
Well, not everybody knows that.
not everybody. So, oh, Law, look at me, just doing and doing. We're just going to fold these apples in just like this. Fold them and hide them like a lie.
Yeah.
We just hide them. All right. Now, I've got all these little, wipe my hand. I done got some pudding on my hand. I ain't trying to do all that. Now I'm just going to fold these little Snickers. Now, I didn't do anything but just cut them in little pieces like this. Goodness, honey, goodness.
Wee.
And this is all it is to it, y'all. But you talk about good. It is just delicious. Now, I do have one more little topping, and that's some caramel topping.
Mmm.
And that's just, honey, the cherry on top, that caramel topping.
Next level.
Next level, that's right. Now, you can just, after you get this done, I'm going to chop up another one to go on top. And we're going to drizzle this. I'm looking over there because my caramel sauce is over there. I didn't put it on the table. So let me grab that. All right, I'm just going to drizzle a little bit on top. Hopefully. I should have warmed it up just a little bit. There we go.
She's drizzly.
She's drizzling now. All right. Throw a little Snickers back on that. And I've also got a little apple, another little apple, top it off, honey. It's going to be delicious. You ready to taste it?
I'm ready.
All right, we're going to put a little topping on it.
It looks delicious. I'm ready.
All right, let's do it. All right, y'all, tasting time. Something quick, delicious, and you're up.
I'm up.
You're up. Get your little piece of everything on that spoon.
Give me everything on here.
Mm-hmm. Good. Them little babies is gonna love it. Just, you maybe don't say salad.
Yeah.
Just say, I got you a little
Apple tree.
little apple tree.
Caramel
That's
apple
right.
tree.
Mm-hmm. Caramel apples. That's what it tastes like. A good old caramel apple.
It's fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
With a little Snicker surprise in there.
Yeah, a little crunch hidden all up in
I'm
there.
gonna tell you what, y'all.
It's good.
Man, that's
It's
right on time
delicious,
right there.
yes.
Ain't no better dessert than that right there. Ain't no salad I ever heard of.
No, and if you ain't got time to be dilly-dallying in the kitchen, honey, this you can whip this right up. Took 5 minutes. Yeah, probably even less if I wouldn't have run in my mouth. Right?
Yeah, well,
Yep.
you got a kid that don't like apples, they'll
You might. Mm-hmm.
Hey.
Yep, it's all hidden in some
trick them
candy bars.
Yeah, trick them with the Snickers.
That's right. You can't go wrong with a candy bar in there.
No, that's
But
fantastic.
anyway, y'all, I hope you try this. Quick,
Yeah.
simple, and just in time for fall and the
Perfect.
holidays. I have sprinkled a little cinnamon. You can do it up any kind of way. You can change the candy bars.
Yeah, it would be good with all kind of candy bars.
Yes.
It would be good without candy bars, just caramel and cinnamon.
It would.
Yeah,
Mhm.
and
Really
whipped
good.
cream, it would be good. Yeah.
Good stuff.
Mhm.
But anyway, change it up, honey. Do you do what you want to do in your kitchen? I
Yeah.
always say.
I'm gonna do me and see
Do
y'all
you, James
later.
Russell? We'll see you next time.
Oh, I'm kidding y'all. We appreciate y'all watching though.
We
For
do,
real.
we really do. But anyway, really, this time, until next time,